All right, here we go. This is a 2012 SLS AMG Roadster. This is seriously a cool car. Wow, listen to that sound. This car is not out in the market yet, so to have the chance to drive it before it's out, it's just amazing. Great engine. Absolute pleasure. Here we go. Woohoo! Wonderful, absolutely great. An exhilarating feeling. And then the power you get from it is just mind-boggling, really. I really love the rims, the wheels, engine obviously is fantastic from AMG. At sunset driving a car like this, oh my. This is really one of my favorite all-time cars. I love it. One last push. To check out more, go to mbusa.com.